So we got a package here, and we got 12-piece play robots, wind-ups. So let's open them up. Get them out of the bag. It's a good value. And these are 3D printed objects. Let's open the bag up. Right there. Take one out. I hope they fit. And you slip them in there like that. If you want, you can glue them in. There's one. These are gifts. I may put little E6000 in on the top of these afterwards, and so they hold in. Be gentle with the feet. There's another one. Those are little ghost cats. I thought they were pretty neat. These are Halloween gifts. Do the third one here, like that. Now hang on, I'll show you how they work, so be patient. Good price on them too. These are, you 3D print these out on Amazon. Let's see if that fits in there. Yeah, it does. Skull. I think one package will do all what I need to do here. Got the penguin. The penguin I gotta paint. Put the like that. One more. Look at that. Put those to the side. I hope you're doing well today. We got a little duck here. Put him in there like that. And that one, I don't know, it doesn't want to click in there. Might have to glue it. Let's just put him to the side. I know you want to, let's see if we can wind him up. There he goes. There's the duck. Let's try the skull. Go like this. Oh, he's going backwards. So let's wind him out. Let's turn him around. Turn him around here. There we go. There's the skull. Let's try the penguin. Penguin's got a fin in the way, so there's the penguin. Again, we can paint these. We're gonna paint these later. The ghosts we're not. Let's try one of these cat ones. Pretty neat, huh? Oops, there we go. The feet got misaligned on this one. Okay, well that's not working. Let's try this one. We got one bad one we have to replace. And those are the little flipper robots. You can get them on Amazon. Thanks for watching. There's a close-up of them. And we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.